What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at the Tapo Smart Wi-Fi Lamp Dimmer Kit. This is from TP-Link, and this allows you to control your lamps using this circular remote control. And if you wanted, you can also pair this to your phone as well as smart home hubs such as Alexa or Google Home. So here's a look at the packaging. It's pretty simple and easy to use. Simply just open it up. We have a link for the Matter app. And inside the box, we have the actual Tapo plug. So here's the Tapo itself. On the top, we have a button to manually turn on and off the lamp. On the left-hand side, we have a plug for your lamp. And then on the right, you also have another area to plug in a second lamp. So you can actually plug up to 2 lamps on this Tapo dimmer. And here is the dimmer. On the front side, it's just a simple push button in. And then you can twist it right or left to turn the dimness up and down. To use the Tapo, it's very simple. You simply insert your plug and plug the other side into the wall. And just like that, you can use the circular remote to turn on and off the lamp, as well as turn up and down the brightness. Now to pair the Tapo to your Wi-Fi, we're going to use the Tapo app in the App Store. Go ahead and download the app, create a login, and go to Add Device. Follow the on-screen instructions. That will add your Tapo device, and you're ready to go. Now, as you can see, you can also turn up and down the brightness on your phone, turn on and off the Tapo, and you can set schedules and timers for the lamp, and lastly, set away modes at specific times of the day so that the lamp will turn on and off randomly. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. I'll leave a link down below to the product, and check out my channel for more tech videos, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.